What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for 14,000 subscribers and counting. So you all know that my videos is always about how to make designs and how to create designs, all right, for upcoming graphic designers and professionals who are more than us. So actually on this video is not all about design, so I don't have to be teaching you guys only how about designs and how to create designs. I also want to teach you guys how to make money as a graphic designer. All right, you can actually make money weekly on what I'm about to show you if you have that patience and time to do this. All right, so this is not kind of a Fiverr or Upwork of a thing, freelancing of a thing. This is where you sell out your templates, the design you've created before. This platform is going to give you this website is giving you a platform where you can sell out your templates, all right, or you can actually buy some templates and other things, a lot of things on that website. This website is super amazing. You're going to like it. Just follow me to the end of this video so you can see the process step by step in which we do this. So if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the red button below. You know the process. Give it a thumbs up so YouTube recommend it to other people. All right, don't forget to smash the notification button. So without any further ado, let's go straight to the video. All right, so guys, the website which I told you guys where you can make money as a graphic designer selling out your craft or your templates or any other thing you're into is called Master Bundle. All right, so all you need to do is just log up to masterbundles.com. I'm going to put the link on the down description below so you can follow it up. All right, so if you come into Master Bundle, you can see where we have graphic design. Here you can sell out a lot of stuffs, guys. I don't want to say too much about this. You can actually check it up yourself. It's very easy to use. It's a new website. It's very easy to use and very easy to set up. All right, all you need to do is just come over and create an account. I have an account already, so as you can see, I'm actually waiting for confirmation. All right, so you can actually come over to this and select Nigeria. It works on any it's just global, all over the world. It can work on your country, India, Africa, US, Tanzania, everywhere, Ghana, Nigeria, everywhere. As you can see, Nigeria here. So I'm going to basically put my phone number there. So please guys, do not call this number. It's my number, but don't call it unless you have business with me. All right, so this is the number. So I'm going to verify my own account. So as you can see, guys, so their verification takes like 10 minutes to come. So we're going to just send for verification before we jump into this video. All right, so like I said, please do not skip this video so you can see the process. So as you can see here, it said, okay, we have our own code. Finally, it came in 7. All right, so once, as you can see, successful. So just create an account and this is what you're going to have. So how you create all this is the admin dashboard of your Master Bundle shop. So you can see here we have submit products, withdrawal, knowledge base, contact manager. All right, so I have my own account, but I'm just showing you guys the process in which you can create an account. You can sign up with your Gmail or any other account, all right, or anything. So let's see if you come in. But before I do this, I want to show you guys a lot about Master Bundle before I will show you how to upload your template here and earn money. So you can see here we're having currently we're earning 0 on this new account. So as you can see, if you come into graphic design, there are a lot to sell here, guys. If you're into fonts, okay, you can see, but before we go to fonts, you can see on graphics. On the graphics, you can see icons. If you sell icon, outline, social media, banners, line art materials, retro, food, blood, a lot of things you can do here. You can sell patterns, abstract, Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, pattern, a lot of abstracts, a lot of things here, guys. Logos, you see, you can sell logos, you can sell textures, you can sell backgrounds, t-shirt, and a lot, guys. You can actually sell fonts. If you create fonts, there are people that create fonts, we have templates. We that always do flyers and logos and a lot of that. You can see printables, invitation card. You can do invitation card. You can see a lot of them here. You can see flyers, church flyers. 2023 flyers is already out, so you can see, guys, a lot of people are making a lot of money here, guys. Like I said, people are making money here. So you can see flyers, church flyers are here, everything, planners, posters, calendars, everything you do is here, guys. So you can see we have stock content, blog. So for you guys not be wasting your jobs, like you've done a design and you feel like your personal job, you feel like you want to sell it out, here is the platform where you can sell it out. Don't just keep it on your laptop wasting it there. Just jump onto this website and upload it there. Give it some time to appreciate, guys. You're going to make money on a weekly basis. Trust me on this, guys, if you have the patience. Nothing works as magic. Nothing is magical here. All you just do, upload it. If someone, just make sure your craft is okay. Do you understand? Make sure your craft is okay. If somebody actually like your template and buy it and make use of it. Some of you come to my DM to ask me for template, guys. If you want to see my template, I'm not giving you for free. You can actually come and join my membership on YouTube, pay for it, and I'm going to send it to you, or you come over to this place and buy it. All right, unless if you're my #1 fan, I will send it to you just the way I always do to my favorite subscribers and my viewers. If you're my best viewer, I'll let send templates to you guys. All right, so you can ask them. So guys, going forward, guys, so if you want to sell out your template, all you need to just come over to this. You can see submit products. All right, submit products. Or if you come over to their what's it called, the homepage. All right, you can see people's job here. You can see a lot and a lot. You can see $5, $11, $10, depending on your craft, guys. So but before we do that, all right, you can actually come over to this place and select sell your deal, or you come to your accounts. All right, you come to your accounts and you can actually, if you want to withdraw your money, you can withdraw it here. All right, so you can actually submit product. The product, what I mean by product is the things you do. So you remember this flyer we designed? All right, this flyer, I showed you guys how to design this flyer. So if you want to get this template, jump onto masterbundles.com and get this template for just a little token. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to upload this file on Master Bundle or in Master Bundle. All right, so depending on the English, guys. So I'm going to use this as, I'm going to save this as church flyer templates. All right, so this is the product name I'm going to give it. So here we're going to put our cover page so that if somebody see it's something that looks attractive, so we're going to just export that. So here over you can see let it be 1100 by 1100 pixels and not more than 500 kilobyte. So select this and come over to where you saved it. All right, you can see templates. I gave it, all right, template is the folder I gave it. So you can actually come over to this, all right, and select this template. Boom, guys, this is the cover. So here over you can see attach only zip file. So you're going to export it and save it and convert it to zip file. Let me show you how to convert something as a zip. So come over to your desktop, and if this is the exported file, so right click on it and you can see archive, add to archive. This is just it. You know how to do, just right click and select zip, because that's just it, guys, nothing serious. So just come over to this place and select your zip. So into this inside this zip is a soft copy. All right, it's a soft copy. So that's the template, guys, editable one. The font is editable, everything is editable, nothing there, just change and do what you want to do and just click on open. You can see successfully. Here you can add another image. All right, so over here we can select category. So come over to all right, templates. All right, printables. You can select flyer and that is fine. So over here I can say, all right, let me sell it for $50. Okay, or let me say, yeah, $50. Commercial, $100. And extended commercial, let's put it 200, and we have here $250. So you can actually auto price it. So you can come over and add media. All right, so we can add Pinterest cover. All right, so this is our Pinterest cover. So over here we can add this church flyer is created or is ready and easily editable. Enjoy. All right, so if you can go and so forth, right? So I can actually just copy and paste and just write the description of the stuff here, like the product you're selling out over there. So you can add tag. I can say church flyer poster. All right, so let's try and upload and see. Customer search engine. All right, as you can see, guys, so let's try and upload and see. All right, so over here we are redirected to select the property, the add property type. So I'm going to select zip. Let me select zip. If it's Microsoft Word, you can select Microsoft Word. So let's see if we have, okay, we have PSD. We have PSD. Let's see if we have CorelDRAW. CorelDRAW. So we have CorelDRAW CDR and zip. All right. So topic. It's actually church, so we're going to select church and color. Okay, let's just say green. Okay, let's leave that like that and let's see. So guys, this is the video I will recommend you to watch when you're done uploading or before you upload. This video is just going to show you guys a simple trick, just the way I'm showing you guys. It's just a short video. You can actually watch it and make money. That's it, guys. That's the aim, make money. So if you're done, let's try and upload and see. Okay, let's click on privacy, terms and condition. All right, so boom, guys, our job and our template is uploading for sale. You can actually patronize me, guys. You can take that that template as low as $50. And if you don't want to come here, you can actually join my membership on YouTube. I don't have a member there yet, but you can check it out, guys. Maybe because I've not advertised it yet, but you can be a member and patronize your guy. Patronize. Over here, you can make money on a weekly basis selling your templates and any other thing I showed you. Whatever you're good at, it might not be flyer, it can be poster, it can be font, like I told you. You can see, congratulations, thank you for your bundle, it has been sent. And that is it, guys. So don't forget to subscribe, and if I have any other updates, guys, I'm going to come to this channel and give you guys the updates. So see you guys in my next video.